went down to the city zoo just to kill an hour or two out in the good sunshine. But we had so much fun, we were glad that we came. We fed all the animals and gave each a name. We didn't even mind when it started to rain. We had a real good time. But now that it's over and you're far away, I miss you more with each passing day. All my friends sympathize and say, you'll forget in time. Yes, you will. Give yourself a little time. But it's already been well over a year, and just in case you're interested, you might like to hear how everybody's doing down at the city zoo. Without you, well, the monkeys forgot you, the hippo forgot you, so did the kangaroo. Me and the elephant will still remember you. Me and the elephant will never forget you. Well, I wrote to Ann Landers and dear Addie too, sought their advice as to what I should do. They said everything that reminds me of you would all have to go. So I burned all your pictures except 2 or 3, the one by my bed and the one on TV, the one that I always carry with me everywhere I go. And today was so nice, and since I was in town, I thought I'd take the opportunity to go down and see how everyone is down at the city zoo. And what's new? Well, the rhino forgot you, the zebra forgot you, polar bear and tiger too. But me and the elephant, we still remember you. Me and the elephant, we'll never forget you. Me and the elephant, we still remember